Hello everyone, today we are going to be making a dark chocolate gelato using the Ninja Creami Deluxe.
Let's get into it. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are 75 grams of dark chocolate of your choice, we've got mint, 120 grams of sugar, 6 egg yolks, 22 grams of cocoa powder, 150 milliliters of milk, we've gone for lactose-free version, and last but not least 345 milliliters of double cream, again we've gone for lactose-free. For the method, we're going to need a saucepan to which we're going to add our sugar, egg yolks and cocoa powder. Now we're going to give this a little mix. Okay, now I've got a bit of a paste looking thing in the pan. Next, I've got 150 milliliters of milk in here. And just to make it a little bit easier for myself, I'm going to add cream into that jug up to pretty much the top line, because altogether it ends up being just about 500 milliliters of liquid. Okay, now we're going to add the cream and milk into the saucepan. And we're going to start giving it a little mix. And using the spatula, I'm trying to make sure that the sides of the pan are as clean as they can be, because we don't want anything burning on there later. Now everything is nicely mixed together into our saucepan. We're going to move everything onto a medium heat, and using a digital thermometer we're going to monitor the temperature until it gets to between 74 and 79 degrees Celsius. I like to aim for 76. On medium heat it goes, and we're going to make sure that we keep stirring the whole time, because we don't want anything sticking, or we don't want the eggs cooking, that would be even worse. Okay, now we got to 76 degrees and we are ready to add our chocolate. I'm going to add 3/4 of a bar, which is 75 degrees.
What? 75 grams?
I'm going to add 3/4 of a bar, which is 75 grams. Going to break it up just a little bit and add that to the mixture. And now we are going to give it another little mix. Remember, this is off the heat at this point. We're just trying to melt the chocolate. Now the chocolate is completely incorporated into the mixture. We are ready to pour it into the pint, and we're going to do that with the help of a sieve, just to make sure we strain any lumps and bumps out of it. Gonna make sure we strain all the unwanted bits out, all of the good stuff into the pint. Okay, now everything is in the tub. We are ready for the next step, which is cooling it down in an ice bath.
5 minutes later.
Right, now that it's cooled down, we are ready to pop it in the freezer, and we'll check back on it in 24 hours. Okay, now it's been 24 hours, so we are ready to spin this bad boy. Lid off, insert the tub. And also, I forgot to mention, before spinning, we've let this sit out at room temperature for a couple of minutes. Lid goes on, into the machine. We're going to select full, and then we're going to select gelato and start. Okay, we are done spinning. Let's have a look and see if it's going to need a respin or if it's ready. Okay, this is what it looks like after a spin. So yeah, I'd say it's perfect, and I wouldn't necessarily put it for a respin, but now is the moment I've been waiting for. I mean, I know what it's gonna taste like because we've made this quite a few times, but It never disappoints.
So that was us making the deliciously moreish dark chocolate gelato using the Ninja Creami Deluxe.
If you'd like to see more videos featuring the Ninja Creami, then click the link on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again on the next one.